Hi everyone, it's Spa Guy Dave in Pennsauken, New Jersey, back again with another beautiful pre-owned hot tub. You're familiar with this brand. It's a Master Spa, top of the line manufacturer always. This gorgeous 66 inches by 82 inches, 4-seater in pearl. That pearl white, which looks fabulous when you turn the LED lights on, especially at night, obviously, with a beautiful gray resin cabinet. It's in just fantastic shape. You see the beautiful brand new steps that come with it. LED light. We're in the light right now, so you can't really appreciate it. But you can do red or green or orange or blue, purple. So you've got a whole array of colors there. All brand new headrests and pillows. Brand new spa cover. New mechanical cover lifter to work with it. So this thing is just loaded. It's a perfect 4-seater for a family, a couple and 2 kids, or 2 couples getting together. It's just great. If you're 6 foot 6 inches tall, you're probably going to want a larger unit, but for anyone else, this is just right. It's got great seating. Here's the lounger, a deep bucket seat, another deep bucket seat, another bucket seat. The famous Master Blaster. You've got an LED light, of course, a large one. This is low speed jets kicking on right now. Here's the high speed. You see that waterfall kicking in. All those jets on the lounger, foot jets, all the big seating jets. You've got a diverter valve, so if you're in by yourself and you want to divert the pressure to one particular seat stronger, you can do that, or remove some pressure from someone else who doesn't want it as much. You've got those options. So I hope you enjoy it. This is the Master Spa, and I'm Spa Guy Dave. If you like the video, please click like. And also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to see this and every spa as they hit right away. Be the first. That way this spa can be in your backyard this week. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and enjoy the hot water.